Senior APHC leader Professor Abdul Ghani Butt has called for settlement of the Kashmir dispute through sustained and time-bound dialogue process between Pakistan and India to ensure peace and prosperity in South Asia. Talking to an Indian civil society delegation in Srinagar, Professor Butt urged the Indian media fraternity and civil society to put pressure on Indian government to resolve all disputes with Pakistan, particularly the Jammu and Kashmir conflict, through talks. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter convener Muhammad Farooq Rahmani has said that sedition and other charges against Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Muhammad Yasin Malik and other Kashmiri detainees are revengeful and speak a lot on New Delhi's mock democracy in Indian illegally Jammu and Kashmir. Indian Supreme Court has put a temporary hold on the British-era sedition law. The Apex Court restrained the authorities from registering FIRs, continuing any investigations, or taking any coercive measures under Section 124A till the BJP government in New Delhi completes review. Pertinently, the Indian official data has revealed that 25 cases were registered under the same sedition law in occupied Jammu and Kashmir from 2014 to 2019. According to the data, 12 cases were registered in 2018 under PDP-BJP coalition rule before imposition of governor's rule in June in same year, while 11 cases were registered in 2019 when fascist Modi government, by violating international laws, abrogated Article 370 and annexed Jammu and Kashmir after dividing it into two union territories. Occupation Indian forces, in their unabated tyrannical tactics to subdue Kashmiri people, conducted operations in different towns, villages and mohallas of Srinagar, Kupwara, Bandipora, Baramulla, Ganderbal, Budgam, Islamabad, Pulwama, Shopian, Kulgam, Ramban, Kashtawar, Doda, Rajouri, Poonch and Samba districts of the occupied territory. Meanwhile, the body of a 24-year-old youth was found inside an auto rickshaw in South Kashmir's Islamabad district. The deceased, identified as Tehseen Gul, was found dead in auto rickshaw in Chini Chowk area of the district. On the other hand, an Indian paramilitary man was found dead in Bandipora district. The soldier belonging to Central Industrial Security Force was found dead under mysterious circumstances at Hydroelectric Corporation Private Limited building in the district. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement in Srinagar, underscored the need for unity to thwart Modi-led Indian government's onslaught on honor and dignity of the Kashmiri people. She said Jammu and Kashmir is facing many challenges post-abrogation of Article 370, including attempts to disempower the Kashmiri people.